In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate the formula for calculating volumes for injection, which is part of nursing skills practice. So in today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate volumes for injections. So here we have a typical question. For example, Miss Asho is 45 years old and weighs 70 kg. She needs to be given 3 mg of morphine, which comes as 100 mg in 2 ml. How much do you draw up? So this is a typical question. We need to calculate volumes for injection. So when we are calculating volume for drug injections, so we have a general formula, which is a prescribed amount. So the formula we have is prescribed amount multiplied by stock volume, then divided by available stock strength. So this is the formula we need to apply. So whenever you are calculating a formula for calculating volumes for injection, this is the formula: prescribed amount multiplied by stock volume, which is in ml, divided by available stock strength. So this is the formula in which you are supposed to apply whenever you are calculating volumes for injection. In short, you can say patient multiplied by ml, which gives us ml, all over divided by available stock strength. So first, what you are supposed to do is you need to highlight the keywords of the question. For example, Miss Asho is 45 years old and weighs 70 kg. She needs to be given 3 mg of morphine. So our prescribed amount is 3 mg, which comes as 100 mg, which is the available stock strength, time is multiplied by stock volume, that is 2 ml. So this is the formula in which you are supposed to apply. So now let us calculate. So this is how we are going to do. Our prescribed amount is 3 mg. So 3 mg multiplied by stock volume, which is 2 ml, times 2 ml, all over divided by available stock strength, which is 100 mg. So when you multiply 3 times 2, that one gives us 6 mg. That one gives us 6 mg, all over divided by 100 mg. So when you divide 100 mg, so this is the final volume in which you are supposed to get. So you can start by moving to the nearest decimal places. So you start here, you move to 2 decimal places, or you can calculate directly from the calculator. For example, 6 mg multiplied by 100 mg, which is equivalent 0.06 millis. So this is the final volume in which we are supposed to draw up to give or to administer the patient. So our final volume is 0.06 millis. So this is our final volume in which we are supposed to draw up and to administer to the patient. So this is how we are going to calculate volumes for drug injections. So let us move to the next question. Okay, we have another question here, which says Mr. Abdi has been prescribed 80 mg of tramadol hydrochloride for pain relief. Available stock on the what is 100 mg in 2 ml. The question is, calculate the volume to be drawn up for injection. Okay, this is another question we have. So we need to calculate. So we have said earlier that we have a general formula that we use for calculating volumes for drug injections. Okay, this is the formula we are going to apply. We have said earlier our formula was prescribed amount prescribed amount multiplied by times stock volume which is in ml divided by available stock strength. So when you look at the question, Mr. Abdi has been prescribed 80 mg of tramadol hydrochloride for pain relief. Available stock on the what is 100 mg in 2 ml. The question is saying calculate the volume to be drawn up for injection. So we have the general formula that we are going to apply, which is prescribed amount multiplied by stock volume, which is in ml, all over divided by available stock strength. In short, you can say patient times ml, which gives us ml, all over divided by available stock strength. So this is the formula in which you are supposed to apply when you are calculating volumes for drug injections to administer the patient. Okay, let us calculate now. So you need to highlight the keywords of the question. So Mr. Abdi has been prescribed 80 mg of tramadol. So our prescribed amount is 80 mg of tramadol hydrochloride for pain relief. So the available stock on the what is 100 mg, which is in stock volume of 2 ml. The question is asking calculate the volume to be drawn up for injection. Okay, let us calculate now. Our prescribed amount is 80 mg. Okay, let us write here 80 mg multiplied by prescribed amount multiplied by stock volume, which is an ml, which is 2 ml, all over divided by available stock strength, which is 100 mg. So which is 100 mg. Okay, when you multiply 80 mg times 2 ml, that one gives us 160 mg per ml, all over divided by 100 mg. So we shall see now the final volume in which we are supposed to give the patient. Okay, what you can do is you can move to the decimal places, or you can calculate directly from the calculator. So this is what you are supposed to do. Okay, let me use the calculator. For example, you say 100 mg, 160 mg, 160 mg all over, that is divided by 100 mg. So that gives us 1.6 mils. So this is our final volume in which we are supposed to draw up for us to give to the patient. Or you can also do, you stand here and you move to the nearest decimal places. So this is what you're supposed. So this is where. So you need to move 2 decimal places. So 1, 2. So that one gives us 1.6 millis. So this is how you are going to calculate volumes for drug injections. Okay, let us move to the next question. Okay, we have another question which says a patient has been prescribed 50 mg of bethadine for injection. The stock strength available is 100 mg in 1 ml. How many mils do you give the patient? So you need to highlight first. You need to highlight the keyword of the question, which is the prescribed amount, that is 50 mg of bethadine for injection. The stock available strength is 100 mg, which is in stock volume, that is 2 ml. So first you need to highlight the keyword of the question. Then you are supposed to apply the general formula, which is prescribed amount. The general formula is prescribed amount multiplied times stock volume times stock volume, which is in ml, all over divided by available stock strength. Available stock strength. So this is the general formula in which you are supposed to apply. Okay, this is the general formula in which you are supposed to apply. That is prescribed amount times multiplied by stock volume, which is in ml, all over divided by available stock strength. In short, you can write BT, which is patient prescribed amount, multiplied by ml, which finally gives us ml, all over divided by available stock strength. Okay, let us now see the highlighted keywords of the question. Prescribed of 50 mg of bethadine. So our prescribed amount is 50 mg, time is multiplied by stock volume, which is in ml, that is 100 mg in 1 ml. Our stock volume is 1 ml, all over divided by available stock strength, which is 100 mg. So which is 100 mg. So when you multiply 50 mg times 1 ml, that gives you 50 mg. So that gives you 50 mg all over, or per ml, all over divided by 100 mg. So what you can do, you can move to the nearest decimal places, or you can calculate directly from the calculator. So this is where you are supposed to start. So you move to the nearest decimal places. So 1, 2. So our final volume will be 0.5 mils. So this is our final volume. Or you can calculate directly from the calculator, which is 50 mg, which is 50 mg, and divide by 100 mg. So that gives us around 0.5 ml. So this is our final volume in which we are supposed to draw up and to administer to the patient. So this is how you are going to calculate volumes for drug injection. So if you find this content is helpful, kindly please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share, and give your comment. So that gives me motivation to continue posting important contents about medical subject. So thanks for your watching and have a nice day.